Cannon O'Brien sporting a cool cowboy hat. Happy big number 6 to Cannon. He's in Fort Scott.
And we have Riley Blue Fincher. That's a cool name. Turning 8 years old with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Brianda Harmon, now 11. I think I just pulled a muscle looking at that picture, Brianda. Happy birthday from Grandma Marcia. She's in Carthage.
All right, Cole Mitchell Jackson celebrating birthday number 12 this year. Happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Tex, and Charlie.
In Columbus, Dixie Layson celebrating an 18th birthday. That's quite a Letterman jacket right there, Dixie. Congratulations on all that.
Caden Harrison turning 18 years old this year. A cool pic there. In McCune,
Janelle McElwain, she is celebrating her 23rd birthday. A happy birthday to you, Miss Janelle, with much love from the family.
all right. Bailey Hatfield Saez celebrating, or Bailey Hatfield Saez is 30 years old, the big 3-0 this year.
Happy birthday, Bailey. Don Watson, he is celebrating his 76th birthday. Happy birthday to Mr. Watson in Weir.
Gerald David celebrating a birthday in Walnut, Kansas. He turned 85 years old this year.
And Robert Massa, know him as Nook, he's celebrating his 86th birthday. A big happy birthday to Robert on his tractor in Mulberry.
And we've got a 10th anniversary in Frontenac for the Schrops. Congrats going out to Craig and Marcella.
Pastor Ben, he's at the First Baptist Church of Cherokee, and his wife Jackie, and their family, they're celebrating their 17th anniversary. Congratulations to Ben and Jackie and Weir.
Tom and Pat Christie are celebrating 50 years together. Congratulations to the Christies up in Fort Scott.
And who that is? Our own Zach Dodge with a birthday. Absolutely love working with that dude right there. Zach, happy birthday from all of us here, my man. Hope we run into each other here a little bit later. I'm gonna track down why we don't have pictures of the first two I'm about to mention. Now, Miss Lexi, she turned 11, and Grandpa Mike, he turned 69. Mike, you know we love you. I'll find out right there. Anyway, you go spoil Lexi on her birthday. That's my birthday gift to you, Mike. I'm telling you, go spoil Lexi. And Susan Ellis, a happy 56th birthday in Humboldt.
All right, Janet Zwallen in Chautauqua, happy birthday going out to you. And Chris Fowler down in Miami, birthday wishes to you as well.
Could be the Chris Fowler. Well, he is the Chris Fowler. Maybe there's just another Chris Fowler. William and Brenda Reed, they are celebrating their 44th anniversary. Congratulations, William and Brenda. They are in Chautauqua. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this June the 11th, or perhaps you're celebrating on June the 12th as well, and that's where you can send your birthdays into. If you go the email route, birthdays@koamtv.com. If you decide to do the internet, it is koamnewsnow.com/birthdays. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to koamnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.